Some of the financing tools that we provide become an unsecured loan option. And with an unsecured loan, that means there's nothing securing the value of what's been borrowed to the bank or to the lender. What that means is they're not tying your house to it, they're not tying your vehicles to it, they're not tying any other assets to that loan. It's very similar to a credit card where you receive a credit card and you use the funds as you desire and then you pay it back. An unsecured loan gives you that luxury where it's not tied to the assets of your home. So if you decide to get a mortgage or you decide to get a vehicle or another loan, you're not necessarily using those assets and securing those assets against that primary unsecured loan. Unsecured loans in renovation financing are a great tool for a lower value renovation cost. Anything under $100,000, you can use an unsecured loan option. So it's a really great tool. There are some very good third-party options that we provide for financing. There are some fees associated with that, and there's a lot of interest rate advantages. So we want to find the best fit for you when it comes to whether you choose a primary loan or an unsecured loan, and we'll find the right fit for you.